way back in the woods, way back where I shouldn't go, way back where the knotted pines fade away.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Simple Outdoors. I'm camping. It's right before Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna try camping here at a spot right next to the car. Real easy. Didn't feel like walking with some duffel bags or a cart or anything. Campsite's right there. Car's right here. It's a little before Thanksgiving, so this video might come out after Thanksgiving. But I'm going to try doing, excuse me, I was sick for a while, but I'm feeling much better now. I'm going to try doing an MRE Thanksgiving dinner. Now I bought 6 MREs, random, and I mixed and matched some stuff out of all of them to make a meal. If they're not that good, I did bring some other food just in case. So I got a lot of gear, of course, obviously. So the car's there. It's supposed to rain all day later, all night, and all day tomorrow. So here's the campsite. I stayed at this one. I stayed at this one a couple of times, mostly during the winter, where I didn't want to walk in like 3 feet of snow with a sled. So there's no snow right now, so I can park at this little dirt lot, but they plow the snowplow turnaround right over there, so that's where I usually park during the winter. It's going to be about, it's like 45 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Today it'll be about 40 tonight, 50 tomorrow, but with rain. So I want to get this tarp set up, and they left a little firewood. Fireplace is a little broken, but it's doable. Car's right over there. The trail goes up to the other campsites. I am at a designated site. Do want to get this tarp set up, but I don't know where I want the tent because nothing seems level. But I do want to set up the tarp first. That's the main priority. So I'm going to do that and figure out where I want the tent. Got all my tarps here in one little bag just in case it was raining. So I just leave everything in the car, set the tarps up, and all that. Yeah, I'm gonna get crack-a-lacking. Just gotta find a level spot for the tent. So let's do that. Little ice skim on the water. We'll walk up there later. But I brought plenty of water with me anyways. Just threw everything in the car. The car is what? 50 feet away. I love it. And then in the rain, I can just back the car up right here to the trees. And that's what? 15 feet away probably. Just throw everything in there tomorrow. That's why I wanted to do this. It was great. It is hunting season still. Heard some gunshots on the other side of the lake. But right here, there's a house right there. I always see that guy during the winter. He knows my car. And we're not too far back into the woods, so we'll hear some road noise. Alright. Tarp time, tent time. I don't think anything's level. That's right there. I'll figure it out. We always do, right? There's a little firewood here, but I got 5 bundles of wood in the car too, so. Alright, let's get going. Okay, I got everything set up. Didn't take long. I got clothes, electronics, boots, gloves. I got the Tyvek bivy bag because it's supposed to rain and I don't want everything wet, just for a precaution. Batteries, power banks, a couple hoodies, and now we're gonna go to the car and get the firewood. It's supposed to rain around 3, so we have a couple of hours until that. So I'm gonna bring the firewood, put it under there, and have a coffee. I can see if there's some firewood around. A little bit there, but I don't know if it's wet. I'll take a look around. But I'm gonna grab the firewood from the car, put it under the tarp, and relax for a little bit. It's Thanksgiving week, right? Gotta be thankful for camping. And yeah, family's doing good, pets are doing good, work's busy, 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 busy. I gotta work Thanksgiving. Yep, we alternate every year. Last year I was off, this year I'm working. But it's only usually, it's like a 9 to 5 kind of thing. So, and it's just scoop and serve. You know, it's not a full plated dining room dinner. It's just all to-goes, but a real Thanksgiving dinner. Alright, I'm gonna get the firewood. Can't believe there's some ice that skimmed over already. Winter's just about here. They did get a little snow though. Alright, I'm gonna grab the firewood and have a coffee. Alrighty, monster coffee. I saw a little firewood. I just got to grab the chainsaw, cut those pieces over there, a couple pieces over there. That's all I really, there's one over there too. It's supposed to rain probably in less than an hour and a half. First drink of the day. Alright. I got some winter boots in the tent. I do have hiking shoes in the car. We're hunkered down. I could raise this up, but I think the wind's coming from that way. Could raise that one up. Cheers, everybody. Thanks. Thank you for joining me on this relaxing camp. I just want to cut that firewood over there and over there. Bring some of that in here before it rains in an hour or so. So, there's my gloves. Alright. Might as well do that now, huh? And then I can relax for the rest of the night. Yep, fire pit's good. I'll try to have a fire. It's gonna rain all night. Alright, I'm gonna sit and relax for a few minutes. Drink a little bit of this. Then I'll go find that firewood. I mean, I see it. I see some over there. It's dry. I don't know about that log over there. Should do that one first. I don't know. We'll see. Alright. I'm gonna do some firewood after this. Alright, I finished my coffee, I cut some firewood and started a little fire. I rearranged the tarp a little bit, so now I'm going to get the other hoodie on underneath this, my wool socks, and my boots. And then I'll be good. Hoodie, socks, and boots. And rain should be coming soon. So 3:30, 4 o'clock from what the radar says. So get this going, and I can keep throwing logs on it during the rain, hopefully. If not, then I cut all that wood for nothing. Nice warm fire. Nothing like a campfire. It really is. Those fire starter cubes, they work wonders. So get that going nice and hot. Maybe a hot coffee, I don't know. I gotta rearrange a little bit of my duffel bag, find my stove and gas canister. The first thing is my socks, boots, and my other hoodie underneath this. Well, I decided to have a cold Monster instead of the hot coffee. So I got my wool socks on, my boots, a couple hoodies, and it started raining a few minutes ago. Got the fire going nice. It's beautiful out here. You know, we should take a walk down there, shouldn't we? Before it starts pouring. Let's go down here. Sorry for the shakiness, wobbliness, rattling on the tripod. I got the new light with the new screw, so we should be good. It'll get dark probably in about an hour. Back's a little sore from using that chainsaw and doing the tarp and the tent. Not a young spring chicken anymore. Water's up pretty high. This used to be just a little stream through here. You can still see the fire over there. Road's right over there. A couple houses over there. Beautiful. I think that's my favorite point right over there. Well, guess it's time to enjoy the fire. Relax in my chair. I took some Tylenol and ibuprofen. Got my lights all ready to go. Oh, it gets dark really early now. Beginning of winter. I should have enough firewood. If not, it's alright. We'll climb into the tent and relax in there. Just wanted to relaxing close to the car kind of camp. Didn't want to block the gate there. That's for the water company, water authority that owns the water in the lake, but there's nothing back there. The other side, there's like power lines, grid boxes, stuff like that, so they go through there. Oh, gonna relax by the fire. still too early for dinner. I'm not gonna walk up the hill. Rain's coming in. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Bunch of leaves. I love the sound of rain hitting the tarp. How is there a mosquito? I didn't bring a thermocell. Well, still see some bugs out. Alright. Yeah, it'll get dark in another 40 minutes or so. No matter the weather, I love my fire. Yes, too early for dinner, but I got that MRE mix to try to have a Thanksgiving dinner. But I did bring some ready to eat turkey and dressing. I'd probably heat that up in a pan or something if the MREs aren't that tasty, which they usually aren't, and if the flameless heaters don't work. Well, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy the fire from under the tarp and wait until I get hungry. I gotta catch up on some videos and some work on my phone, but I just want to relax and not do anything. I have a busy week coming up, so I might put one of these bundles of firewood over here and rest my feet up on them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Everything's organized. That's great. Got bear spray just in case, but cheers, everybody. We'll see when I get hungry later. Fire's still going good. It's raining out. I got a little firewood left, so I'm just gonna let that slowly burn down and add one log at a time. The big logs, they don't really burn, they just do a slow smoldering. Yeah, pack down's gonna be real easy because the car's right there. Instead of taking the dolly cart, carrying it down the dirt road or the path, the trail. Made some hot coffee with a little hot cocoa mixed in there. 3 packets of instant, cream, sugar. Might throw one of these big logs on there since those coals are really hot now. That one right there. Oh yeah. This is going to be very hot and undrinkable right now. I don't know if I heard a dog or an owl or coyotes a few minutes ago. I don't know. I'm not too worried. For the past few years being up here, no problems at all with anything. That's good. Cheers, everybody. Oh yeah. Oh, that's hot. Ooh, but delicious. Man, it's still early. Got a little breeze coming from underneath the tarp, but just do my rounds and see how the tent's doing underneath the tarp and relax until dinner time. Got that Thanksgiving MRE meal. There's no turkey, and I didn't get any chicken in any of them. It's mostly just beef and pasta. But there is one that I could do. It's more of a breakfast kind of one, but that's what I got today. Maybe pretty soon. Alright. I'm gonna enjoy my nice hot cup of coffee. I knew it was supposed to rain all night and all day tomorrow. That's why I wanted to come out, relax underneath the tarp, and not do anything. Fire is still going strong, even in the rain. Well, I think it is time for dinner. Fire's going pretty good. I got 2 more bundles of wood, and that's it. But I added a bunch of stuff from all of the MRE'S. So let's see what we got in here. I have the applesauce. I have cherry blueberry cobbler. So that'll go into one of the warmers. I have au gratin potatoes. I have Italian breadsticks. I have applesauce pound cake. I got raisins. I have 2 things of cheese spread. I have cran raspberry energy bar. All 6 were not Thanksgiving worthy, so the only one that was close was menu 17, pork sausage patty, maple flavored. Menu 17. So I'm gonna pull all this out. We get the little bag of chiclets, and towel, coffee. With the drink is the cranberry grape drink. Here's that other heater. This is the pork sausage patty, maple flavored. We have the Hash brown with bacon, peppers, onions. I believe that's what it says. Yep. Granola with milk and blueberries. Maple syrup. Maple muffin top. Some smoked almonds. Cherry blueberry cobbler. Alright.
Okay, I found this on the web for blueberry cobbler. Check it out.
Did you hear that? I didn't even say the Siri word. No. See? Blueberry cobbler. Let's see if it does it again. Cherry blueberry cobbler. Maybe it was cherry. Man, those phones, man. AI. You know, the AI stuff has been getting out of control with like commercials and like fake videos. Nothing's real anymore. It's just getting out of control. They gotta stop. They gotta stop. It's stupid. Alright, so let's do the au gratin potatoes. Cherry cobbler.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Let's turn this off here. I was watching videos. Alright. I gotta get organized here. So let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now we wait. Alright. I do have some sweet potato mash on the fire there. I do want to try this cran raspberry flavor First Strike nutritious energy bar. So let's try this. Smells good. I don't know. That's pretty good. Now there was peanut M&Ms in one of those bags. They expired in 2023. It's already 2025. I tried a couple. They tasted stale. I threw them out. I forgot which bag it was. So you know, one of them was 23. This is pretty good. A little hard and chewy, but that is really good. $260 calories. That is really good. Energy bar. Hope it doesn't have any caffeine. It's getting late. Wow. We'll save that for later. Well, I'm not going to try applesauce because we all know the applesauce is good. We all know what applesauce tastes like. Let's try the smoked almonds. Pretty good. Gotta check that sweet potato mash. Granola, dehydrated granola with milk and blueberries. I had this sweet potato mash on the grate over the fire, and it is delicious. It's warm. I don't know why I'm cheating, but I'm hungry. That is so good. You know what? Let's try some raisins in that. Oh yeah, good raisins. Oh. Oh yeah. All right. We'll use this spoon here. All the trash goes right in here and bring it back home. I think it's powdered milk. Probably a little too much water, but that's pretty good. More blueberries than granola. Look at that. Breadsticks, cheese sauce. Huh. Italian breadsticks. They're very dry with just some herbs. Not my favorite, but you know, I mean, if you were out in the middle of nowhere and you're fighting for our country, I'm thankful for those people. It's good with his cheese. Those are pretty good. Or maybe it's because I'm just hungry. I don't know. Applesauce pound cake and maple muffin top. We'll try those later. This is the hash browns with bacon, peppers, and onions. Looks okay. If it was warmer, it'd be good. That's actually really good. Maybe I'm just starving. I don't know. It's really good. The cherry blueberry cobbler. Should we try that? Actually looks pretty decent. I mean, it's just mush. Cherry blueberry cobbler. A little mushy, but oh, that is really good. This is the pork sausage patty with maple flavor. Put it on the plate here. Whoop, a little juicy. There's the patty. Tastes one of those, like those breakfast sausages. Not my favorite though. But well, I'm gonna clean up and organize, and then I'll be back a little later to try a couple other little things. Well, after eating all of that, I'm pretty full. All I have left is the au gratin potatoes. I can't eat anymore. I just can't. Maybe a little later. I know these aren't very good. I could try a bite, but I don't really want to waste it. But I know it's not going to be very good. Should we try it? I'll try a bite of it, because I know it's probably not very good. Now, the applesauce pound cake and the maple muffin top, I know are going to be really, really good. And I'm full and I don't want to waste them. So, what I'll do is I'll save them for next time or another trip out. Okay? Just right now, I'm so full I don't even think I could even eat a bite of this. Oh. All that stuff was good. It was very filling. It was like hearty and filling. I guess that's what you need when you're out there in the field. But it's like, that was a lot, because I took a lot of stuff out of all of the MRE'S. I can't even eat a bite of this. I really can't. Au gratin potatoes, and they're cold now. Well, I'll try a little bite. It's going in the trash after. Well, it's a little cheesy. Let's try a little bit. You know, they're not that bad. I thought they were going to be pretty nasty. Those are really good. I don't want to waste it. I got potatoes. Cold. Trying to figure out if I have a Ziploc baggie somewhere. I don't. What am I going to do? But the au gratin potatoes, those are pretty good. Alright. I know the applesauce is going to be good. The cran grape juice drink, I'm not sure about. Cranberry grape juice drink. Don't know about that. But I know those pound cakes are going to be delicious. I just can't eat it. So I have about 5 or 6 more logs for the fire. It's going pretty good. It's still early, but it's getting late. So I'm probably just gonna go on my phone for a little bit. If I get hungry in a little while for some snacks, I'll try those muffin cakes. But other than that, if I feel like having some snacks, I'll bring it back for that. If not, it's probably going to be in the tent for bedtime. But yeah, I'm just going to relax, listen to the rain, enjoy the fire from over here, and probably throw a couple of things in the tent that I need for later. So I'll see you at snack time or bedtime, whichever one happens. Well, I guess it is snack time. I'm gonna try the maple muffin top. Ooh, that smells like a pancake. And it's got a little silica maple muffin top. I think it's just like a little pancake. Well, let's try it. Well, can taste the maple syrup. Very dry and dense. It's not my favorite, but I had worse desserts. It's very dense. It's soft, dry, and like dense. Just maple flavored. It's almost like it's like denser than cornbread. It's all right. Let's try the applesauce pound cake. It's the same little silica thing. Applesauce pound cake. Yeah, I like that better. It's got a better flavor. Same texture as that, same denseness. A little apple, cinnamon. I like that one. Oh, there's little chunks of apples in it. That is pretty good. Yeah, I like that one. So I'll probably let that fire die out and head into the tent a little later. I'm gonna sit and relax. I'll see you all in the tent. Well, as you can see, I'm in the tent in my nice warm sleeping bag. I got the dry bivy bag sack around the sleeping bag. But it's pretty dry in here. So, finished washing Joe Robinette. Lens is fogging up. It's nice and warm in here. Fire's out. I had a couple of Slim Jims. Then climbed into here. I might watch, it's pretty late, I might watch a little more video. And then call it a night. Pretty quiet out there. Doubt anything will happen. I'll let you know if it does. But I'll see you all in the morning. Good night, everybody. Good morning, everybody. I don't know if the lens is fogging up. Sorry about it if it is. I got a little tiny viewfinder screen there. I slept really well until this morning. Construction up on the road. I think chainsawing and wood chippers or something. I don't know. But other than that, slept pretty good. Slept in a little bit, which is great. Like to lay here for a little longer, but should get up and get going. And you know what time it is? Time to make some coffee. I'll meet you out there. Wish I could stand up underneath this tarp. Alright. Yeah, they're doing something up there. Beautiful morning though. Nice. Alright, let's make some coffee. Good morning, everybody. Making some coffee. It's supposed to rain all day today. Cheers, everybody. Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving week. Some people, some places, I don't think celebrate it, but best wishes to your family. This was great. This was a good relaxing camp. Exactly how I planned it. It's only sprinkling and it's not raining too bad. Saw one little frog down here last night. Nice camp here. Let's go down here for a quick minute. Look at that. Beautiful. rain on the lens. Hey, you know what I always say? It's nothing better than having a nice hot cup of coffee in the morning by the water. Well, I think I'm just gonna pull the car over to the trees there. Just throw everything in the trunk. And I'll just reorganize it, dry it out at home. Throw a bunch of stuff in the duffel bags, but I'm not gonna, you know, like this comes in a little stuff sack, little mesh netting. Just throw everything in the bags and go. Plus it's supposed to rain harder today. I'm just gonna get my raincoat, my hat, and start throwing everything in the bags. Cheers, everybody. Well, it's starting to rain again. Everything's packed up. Car's over there. Leave no trace. Fire's out. Beautiful spot. It was a great camp. I threw most of the stuff in the car. I like this, having a car next to your camp. I like that instead of hiking with a heavy backpack. But I don't know, would this considered car camping? I don't know. Where you have to walk 50 feet from the car? Or is car camping where you sleep in your car? I don't know. My car's too small. I should try next summer at the other spot a mini car camping challenge. Should do a lot of things, but this summer flew by. I'm gonna try to do some winter camping over here or here. Depends on snow. So thanks for joining me on Simple Outdoors, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. I tried my best with those MRE'S to make a Thanksgiving meal. Didn't work too well, but it was dinner. And hit that like button, hype, share, subscribe, bell for all notifications, all that good stuff if you got it, if you want to. So I'm gonna go home. I love all of you, and I'll see you soon. I don't know when, probably after the holidays, because work's gonna be really busy. Alrighty, I'm gonna take this last bag to the car and head home. I love all of you. I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.